Welcome to DWIT 3D. Think it, make it. Hello, welcome to DWIT 3D. My name is Tim. I just wanted to do a follow-up from the last live stream we did last Sunday, which was the final live stream, full live stream dedicated to the RatRig VCore 3 500 by 500, this beast right here. It's a great printer. I have an SKR Pro 1.2 board running on this. I'm running Clipper with the mainsail interface. So when we left the stream off on Sunday, I was printing this model of an X-Wing fighter from a maker called Nakozen. I picked this up off of Thingiverse. So this is one of those models where you snap out the pieces and you assemble them. Turned out not too bad at all, considering how fast I was running the printer, and you'll see that later on in this video. But yeah, this was great. I just didn't have time to finish this during the stream. We had some great bottom layers on this. It was a perfect bottom layer. Top layer had a few artifacts because of the speed we were running. I didn't slow down the top layer, so but I'm quite happy with that, and I'm quite happy with the results we're getting off this printer. This was printed in PETG. No stringing at all, so all the tuning was done really well on this. So this is my first edited video per se, so please leave some comments and likes, dislikes, whatever you'd like. Let me know what you think. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. That'd be great. We have a great a great 1,000 subscriber live stream coming up on the 19th of December, so be sure you subscribe and join that live stream to win some great prizes. We have almost $2,000 worth of prizes to give away, so join in that stream, enjoy this video, and leave any comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. So as a quick summary of the final RatRig stream, I ran some test prints to check how well the prints looked. Turns out, for the most part, X-axis looked great. My top and bottom layers were awesome. I had a little bit of ringing on the Z, so I decided to run the input shaper again by using resonance calibration with the ADXL 345 accelerometer. Used the recommended settings and ran some more test prints. And the final test print was this hot end mount for the Mosquito, which I'll be putting on the RatRig as soon as I receive it. So then at the end of the stream, I decided to throw something a little bigger on the build plate that would, show the levelness of the build plate and give it a little bit more of a test. So we threw this X-Wing model by Nakozen from Thingiverse. So printed very well. First layer went down excellent. We're printing in PETG, 245 degree hot end and a 85 degree bed for this print here. Once the first layer was done and it was running well, we decided to crank up Clipper and speed her up, and she hit 200 millimeters per second in some areas, but it started to go pretty fast, and we ran out of time for the stream, but I did finish printing it, and I decided to make this video to show you guys the final product and how it turned out. This is a beautiful build plate. Watch how easy this comes off after that plate cools off. So there were a few artifacts on the top surface of this print, but I didn't slow down the top layer, which had I slowed down the top layer a bit, it would have been a little much nicer top layer. But overall, this turned out really, really well. Bottom layer is perfect. Considering the speed I ran at this at, I'm quite impressed with how this worked. And then we get to assembling the model. You'll notice towards the end that I did forget to remove one little tab off one of the wings, and I caught that afterwards. When I was done this, I finished it up, took it apart, glued it together, removed that straight tab, and it turned out wonderful. Thanks for watching.